Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is a special day because I'm taking my furry friend Messi for his first dog wash at Pet Valu. We heard so many great things about the self-serve dog washes here, so we are excited to give it a try. Plus, I'm really looking forward to not having to clean up the mess myself. Here we are at the self-serve dog wash station, and let me tell you, it's impressive. They got everything we need to make sure Messi comes out smelling fresh and clean. Check it out, they provide shampoo and apron to keep me dry and even a towel. And the best part, no freezing cold water from the backyard hose. Washing here is a breeze. The elevated washing stations make it easy on my back, and there are convenient steps so he can hop right in. And let's talk about this high velocity dryer. It's amazing. It's so much more efficient than using a regular hair dryer at home. Alright buddy, time to dry off. Thanks to Pet Valu Self-Service Dog Wash, Messi is looking and smelling great. Overall, I highly recommend checking out Pet Valu Self-Service Dog Washes. It is convenient, affordable, and the best part is you don't have to deal with the cleanup afterwards. Plus, if your pet has special needs like fleas or skunk odor, don't worry. The helpful team members are here, have solutions for you. And you don't believe the cost is only $15 plus taxes. Thanks for joining us on our dog wash adventure today. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you have enjoyed it and subscribe for more pet related content. Until next time, bye for now.